track internal resources expended on the incidents as well. And these resources can include both man-hours and other expenditures. This tracking log can also be used to justify expenses for management or clients. A type of forensic evidence that's often overlooked are network traffic files and log files. These create a history of events, which is a good source for determining what has occurred on a computer. Network traffic logs and browser history files can show where the system went on the internet and what actions were taken. Log files, as in system log files, application log, or security logs, can help to determine what has occurred with a system. And finally, there's big data analysis. There needs to be recognition that in some situations, big data analyst tools may be required. Big data in this situation refers to any set of data that is too large to analyze with typical data management tools. An example of this would be when analyzing data from a security incident at a financial institution. This can involve multiple exabytes of data. Now that concludes this session on basic forensic procedures. I began by discussing how